Hello, good evening, everyone. Okay, 周先生 and Miller's LNPBHD. Okay, from Boon One. Okay, the next Dofu Winstar Best support lah. Okay, Sendai Citos Capital A My EG from Wei Qian and Rin Tan. Okay, Andy Fong. Okay, Notion as well. Okay, Negate. Okay, Lim KL Lim. Okay, Bray 170. Okay, Asia Apply. Okay, later we see. Okay, Jordan. Hello. And okay, Yin Xiang. Okay, Asyata LBS still sing DNO. Okay, no problem. Okay, so yeah, need your help to click, like, and also share this video lah. Okay, so today content, let's warm up with the market outlook. Okay, which include the US market, oil, gold, cryptocurrency, and FBM KLCI. Follow with the stocks Q&A. Okay, let me know the stocks you want me to review and your plan, whether you're looking for support or resistance. And also disclaimer, all our sharing is not a buy or sell recommendation or just for education purposes. Okay, let's warm up first. Okay, warm up so far, US side. Okay, last week closing. Okay, a little bit bearish lah in my opinion. Okay, a little bit bearish only. Okay, since they already up for about 4 weeks already. So some more on Friday, Donald Trump also say something like about the tariff things lah. So makes the closing slightly bearish. Okay, if we back to the daily point of view, we can see actually Friday consider a slightly bearish only because by end of day they do have some recovery. Okay, after the US market open, they do have some recovery. Okay, seems like market okay still alright with the hoo-ha things lah. Okay, and this morning he just mentioned that the tariff for Europe, okay, EU lah, they want to postpone until next month. Should be next month, right? Okay, no, July. Okay, July. So market recovered. Okay. Okay, but today US market no open lah. So at the moment I would say today is a low liquidity, so the closing for the futures market won't be too accurate lah. Okay, but for Dow Jones they are still below 200 MAs 200 days moving averages. So what I think, okay, despite with this all hoo-ha, I think market is more on indecisive lah. Okay, I think market don't have quite clear direction. Okay, so what I speculate is market is more likely go into sideways movement. Okay, so go up, sell, go down, buy lah, just like that only lah. Okay, don't expect they have a big home run. Okay, at the moment this is what I see. Okay, nothing to how to say nothing can push the market. Okay, no good reason to push the market up further lah at the moment. This is what I think lah. Okay, same to S&P, closing slight bearish. Okay, why I say slight bearish? Because the bearish candle are not until the full bar bearish candle. Okay, they still got some support. So for me, not too bad and not too good. Okay, still neutral for me in my opinion. Okay, this is S&P, and how about the Nasdaq? Okay, Nasdaq as well, also small rate only lah. They not even erase the previous week gains. So for me, it's still alright, not too bad. Okay, so they are still above the support. So for me, go sideways or go up further like that lah. Okay, most likely will go sideways lah. And unless they got very big bad news come out lah. Okay, how about the HSI? Okay, HSI for me, last day also up for quite many weeks. Okay, this is a weekly chart lah. You can see they already up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Already 5th week already. If we including this 7 to 8 weeks already. Okay, so last week closing for me is a little bit indecisive. Okay, even though if it's a strong bullish candle, but you can see the closing looks like a little bit profit taking activities. Okay, back to the daily point of view, I would say, yeah, seems like they are not really able to go through 23.8k. Okay, not until, okay, what I see here not until bearish lah. Most likely you can see actually these few trading days they're not really going anywhere lah. Okay, so for this HSI, thin on 23k as your support, and tentatively what we can see 20 MA cross above 50. Okay, which indicate looks like the short term momentum macam making a comeback lah. So yeah, I think 23k, even 22.8k maybe is a good support to KIV. Okay, so for me, yeah, wait for them to revisit the support lah. Okay, not until bearish yet. Okay, unless they break below 22.5k, then I will say, they might turn into a downtrend. Okay, midterm maybe not so good already. Okay, so okay, let me see. How about the oil price? Okay, oil price so far, weekly point of view, not really going anywhere. Market remain neutral. So I think oil looks like, okay, oil price looks like bottom. Okay, and they already stressed as a $55 lah. But I need a confirmation. Okay, this is WTI lah. Slight different with the Brent. I think about $10 difference. Okay, so for WTI, I am pending. Okay, I'm waiting for them to break up. Okay, $65, $67. Okay, once they can break through, I think oil may have some short-term rally lah. Maybe to $80 level. Okay, on the other hand, if they break below $55, we may see more crashing down on the oil price. And how about the gold price? Okay, gold price so far so good. Okay, I need a confirmation for breakdown 3002 lah, but so far they didn't break below lah. Last week closing, strong bull. Okay, weekly, very strong. So I think at the moment for the gold price, it still remains sideways. So pending for them to break a new high or break down 3002. Okay, so going sideways first, and we are pending for the breakout to give us a direction. Okay, this is a gold price lah. Okay, how about the cryptocurrency? Okay, Bitcoin already create new all-time high. Okay, as they, okay, this is a weekly chart lah. They already broke above these or last year year end, this year beginning of year punya resistance. Okay, which is somewhere around 108k. Okay, closing, I would say this weekly chart looks okay only, not very strong breakout lah. Okay, but yeah, they already above lah. So for me, as long as the closing price, okay, as long as they are above 106k, I will still remain bullish on them. So probably they will go sideways lah. Back to the daily point of view, we can see Friday they also impacted by the tariff things lah, kena sell down. But you can see on Saturday, Sunday, market still managed to get supported. Okay, so they break out the resistance, turn into support. Okay, they come back to retest the support. So far is supported. So based on what we can see here, or Bitcoin, I think is still doing well. Okay, at the moment it's still doing well. Okay, and for the Ethereum at the moment, they have some stress tests. Okay, they are not able to clear 2007. Okay, if we base on the bigger pictures, actually this is a big cup and handle. Okay, so if they are able to clear 2007, we may see more. We may see some rally on them. Otherwise, they might remain sideways. Okay, how about our FBMK LCA? Last week closing, not so great, but we are still above 1530. Okay, daily point of view, yeah, last Thursday they do break below 1530, but Friday managed to close above. Okay, today more on neutral lah. Okay, I think our market also don't have much direction. Okay, so yeah, we can see today overall market sentiment is more on weak. Okay, so I think our market will remain sideways tentatively. So yeah, we still need to go to deep down into the individual stocks and see any opportunity lah. Okay, let's go for our first one, Emulus. Sometimes overall market no good, tapi some individual stocks still okay, like Emulus. Okay, Emulus looks not bad lah. Okay, previously they do have a gap up. Okay, push up. Okay, kena rejected, come back retest 265. So far supported. So we can see on Friday they some got good volumes. Break out above the 285290 level. Okay, today more on neutral lah. Okay, even though market not so good, but at least they didn't sell down. Okay, so for me, Emulus looking great. Okay, still alright lah. Okay, so looks okay, and let me see what I can add on. MACD looks alright. So tentatively, we still need to respect the previous resistance here. 310, 325, R1, R2. So far so good. This one boleh tengok lah. Okay, how about this LNP? This one long time no see, long time no see. Okay, for me, what I see here, they are quite illiquid. Okay, the only bright side is they are stabilized lah, and they already stabilized around here. So you can see since beginning of March until now, so about 2 to 3 months already, they has been in this zone. Okay, volume improved. Okay, end of April until now. Okay, the average volume okay, boleh tahan lah. So for them to make a move, they need to clear 195 or 20 cents. Okay, they need to clear this level. They baru boleh ada have a big run now. Otherwise, they might continue sideways. So these counters, take note, they are still in the downtrend mode. MACD, not too bad. Okay, but due to this is a penny stocks, I would say they are high risk. And yeah, so long above 16 cents, okay, 160 lah. As long as above 160, this sideways is still valid. And yeah, so far we can see they do build up with quite good volumes around here. So hopefully we can see some breakout lah. Once they can have, okay, once they have a breakout above 195, best if they can go above 20 cents. We may see maybe some pump to 200 MAs. Okay, tentatively what I see is somewhere around 260. So I think, yeah, watchable, but yeah, do take note they are high risk, and maybe they will sideways for quite some time lah. Okay, how about the next? Okay, the next found a bottom 240, 260. They rally up, but not able to clear 330. Recently, more on some retrace lah. I would say retrace. Okay, one thing about that on the bright side is 20 cross 50 lah. So short term macam ada momentum. Okay, due to they have a gap up here, right? So I am seeing the gap support is around 280. Okay, they have a gap up back in 13th of May. Okay, now they seems like they might come back to fill the gap here lah. 280 to 270. Okay, this 10 cents this 1 cent okay, 270 280 is an important support zone for them. Okay, stay above, I would say momentum still boleh tahan. But if they break below, I would say maybe not so good already. If below 270, no good. Okay, above I think fightable lah. Fightable. Okay, how but this counter is still below 200 MAs lah. So you do have some risk over there. Okay, how about Dufu? Okay, Dufu, yeah, back in 13th of May as well, they have a gap out, right? So you can see they also come back to fill the gap. Okay, so far the price is still get supported lah. Okay, so as long as above 118, no problem lah. They are still alright. Below 118, no good lah. Okay, what happened today? Today volume okay. Okay, they do attempt to break out 129, but kena press down a little bit. So for me, seems like they are not ready to jalan yet. Okay, so maybe they will go sideways dulu. Okay, but overall performance, I would say still alright lah. As long as they are above 118, yeah, still solid lah. Still solid. Okay, how about this Winstar? Best EP, best support lah. Best support. Okay, this is quite a new counters last year December until now only. So actually now they are at the resistance. So for me it's a no lah. No entry yet lah. Okay, they also up for about 3 days already. Ever since they have a breakout here. Okay, ever since they have a breakout above 480, they already jalan the third day. And you can see today they attempt to break out, but not successfully lah. Kena press down sikit. So based on here, I would say okay, best support I would say is 480 lah. Okay, but current price is 525 ma. So I would say maybe you monitor 50 cents first. See any support here. But if they just break down directly, then you monitor 480. Okay, if they straight break below 480. memang not so good already. They might come back to fill the gap. They have a gap up here. So estimate is about 445 level lah. Okay, so this one I still not much confidence with my analysis due to they have not much volumes here and also quite a new counters. So I will say wait for them to retrace and stabilize first lah. That will be better lah. Okay, so how about the Sendai? Okay, Sendai so far they don't have any clear direction. Okay, ever since they have a breakout here. Okay, breakout, high volume, come back, retest. Okay, so for this Sendai, most importantly, 520 cannot break. Okay, so far so good, yet to break down. So we will say, we can say this breakout is still valid until they break down lah. Break down then tak cantik, so still watchable. Okay, I think that day when they break out was 20th of May. Okay, 520 Okay, how about the CTOS? CTOS no good lah. Okay, CTOS no good. Okay, despite they are potentially no potentially at the bottom already. Okay, previously when I analyzed these counters, they was at here. Okay, at the time we are seeing they do have potential for the bottoming. Okay, back then okay, ever since they break down 105 already no good. Okay, now continue breakdown. So I think they break down for a reason now, or maybe fundamental or the QR no good. Okay, that's why they can break the very crucial support. Okay, this is a very crucial support. They also can break down. So I still see no root yet lah. Okay, so wait for them to continue downtrend, stabilize, and we wait for the first day reversal signal. At least we wait for a big buyer come in first lah. Otherwise, we don't know where is the low already. Okay, because the 105 already broken down. So the low can be lower, cheap can be cheaper. So for me, not so worth for us to guess the low. Okay, at least we wait for some big buyer come back. Okay, we see any signal lah, any buy signal first. Okay, how about the capital A? Okay, capital A back in last Thursday, not so great because last Thursday they already broken down below 855. But lucky thing, Friday recovered and today they macam mau break up tapi by end of day kena rejected a bit lah. So for me, at least they Friday made a comeback already. Okay, otherwise below 855 for me is no good already. Okay, so today volume improve sikit. So for me, maybe they might go sideways macam ini. Okay, I will still remain. Maybe I will put my lower lah. Okay, 845 ready. Okay, so tenor 845. As long as they are above 845, should be alright. Okay, but if they close below 845, no good already. Okay, because back then they stress test already mah. Okay, if lucky breakdown means they give out to defend this level already. Okay, so uglier will be uglier lah if they break down. Okay, how about the my EG? Today so little people so yeah, need your help share around, like around. Okay, share to your group chat lah. So at least we can get more viewers to tune in lah. Despite I understand market not so good lah. Discourage people to do more homework. Okay, my EG is still in a sideways lah. Until now you can see quite a boring counters. If you zoom out on average okay, since last year on average they very like to trading within this zone. You can see they quite like to trade within this zone. Okay, only on and off they key sell, they go up a bit only, or they drop too much. But you can see whenever they go up too much, they will come back to this zone. Okay, so yeah, what I can comment is they are still in the sideways. Okay, only if lucky they drop a lot, then you can get at the cheaper price, then they go back up. Okay, so you can see the whole since last year August until now, they are still in the sideways mode. Okay, no clear direction yet. Okay, so yeah, if we look back, their characteristic should be macam ini 2022 until 2024. So they also sideways within the box. Once they break out, they also sideways within the box. Okay, so more on sideways, no trend. Okay, for me it's no trend. Okay, just sideways within. On average, the support is 865 to 940. Okay, support resistance lah. So review Notion. Let's go Notion. On Notion a bit need to be careful sikit lah. Okay, for me, ideally, okay, they should stay above 20 MA minimum, okay, which is somewhere around 680 lah, tapi sudah break down already. Okay, so now they have a last chance lah, okay, for Notion 640, cannot break, okay, once break, susah already. Once they break 640, the next support could be 580, or maybe the gap support maybe it's a 60 cents level. Okay, so maybe tentatively I will put 60 cents if they break below 640. Okay, and now they not supported by the 2050 MA. Okay, this is quite worrying. Okay, I think it's a bit not so nice already lah. Okay, so hopefully by the next few days they can, okay, they are able to recover above 695. Otherwise, tak cantik lah. Okay, maybe I put my requirement lower lah. Minimum 680. Okay, minimum 680 need to recover above. Otherwise, tak begitu cantik lah. Okay. If the next few days they can continue sideways, I think it's still pretty good lah. Due to they have a low volumes. Okay. Hopefully don't break 640 once break. Tak cantik. Okay. How about the National Gate? Ini sudah crossover, tapi I would say at least the momentum they are perform better. Okay, they perform better. Okay, why? At least 20 cross 50 strongly. Okay, you can see the leg open wider. Okay, and so far the price is above 2050 MA and tentatively supported by the 20 MA. It looks like the short-term momentum is still alright lah. Not much volume lately. Okay, so tentatively take note on the gap support 149 and 140. Okay, is your S1, S2. Okay, but also lah this counter also below 200 MA. So long term, okay, they show pressure by the long-term resistance one. Okay, like this time you can see back in the 15th of May, they do resisted by the 100 MAs. Okay, so they will face a lot overhead resistance until until one day they can clear above 2 ringgit lah. Then maybe they will have more freedom to go up. Okay, minimum 205 lah. If they can clear above 205 one day, they will have more freedom to go up further. Okay, otherwise currently they are pressured by the seller. Okay, how about the Asia Ply? Star candle have chance to break 170 or next month. Okay, so if you understand these counters this is a penny stocks, right? Below 20 cents punya. So you will see a lot of this kind of pattern. Okay, every few days you will see already. Okay, the T shape punya. Okay, this one we call doji lah. Okay, if you say star, morning star, afternoon star, maybe it's with the bullish candle or bearish candle lah. But doesn't matter. Okay, no meaning punya. Because for those penny stocks like these usually they move by 1 to 2 bit per day. Okay, why? Because those scalper, those day trader or scalper, what they want to make from here is they just want to push the market up to 1 to 2 bit in order for them to make money. So they don't usually do a range push up lah. And they just do sideways. Okay, buy at the very bottom, then sell next 1 to 2 bits. Okay, with huge volumes. So for this kind of counters, usually they were more on sideways. Okay, maybe they were sideways for a couple of months, then only move out a big move for 1 or 2 days. then continue sideways for months. Okay, also possible lah. So I cannot give you an exact date. Okay, yeah, we memang cannot see when they will come lah. Okay, I cannot see whether this week can go up or next month can go up. Okay, no idea. This one you need to monitor them closely lah. Okay, like your eyes need to glue on the screen. You want to see, the buy queue suddenly go up already. Then the buyer makan banyak level, high volume pump out or what? Then you only can predict lah. Otherwise, I see nothing yet. And also you can see recently the trading volume is pretty low. Okay, so I assume they might continue sideways. And this one is most likely on their own agenda. Okay. They are not really affected by the outside world. Okay, this is depending on the owner or operator when they want to push the market lah. Okay, so like we all outsider, we really don't know one lah. So this one need to wait lah. Need to wait. Okay, because usually I don't touch penny stocks lah. Because recent years don't have much penny stocks opportunity lah, so I not really touch already lah. Okay, Yong Tai, as mentioned before, here is a place need to exit. 20 cent also is a place to exit because it's a 200 MAs. Okay, tentatively they back to the support 180. Okay, this is their crucial support already. If breakdown, tak cantik already. Okay, last defense already. Breakdown tak cantik. Most likely they might go back to 150 like that. Okay, so yeah, you need to review back to the portfolio. If you see all your counters are like 20 cents, 15 cents, then you need to know that okay, you are taking a lot of risk lah. Okay, try to diversify a bit lah. Maybe some into a better quality punya counters. Okay, otherwise, if the penny stocks don't want to jalan, you very suffer the loss. I know the high risk, high return, but recent year our market not really have a very big volume pump into those penny stocks. Susah a bit lah. Okay, Emulus we cover already. Okay, at least Emulus looks slight better. Aseta tak cantik because they already broken down below 204. As mentioned before, this is a crucial support. Okay, today closing is at the round out numbers 2 ringgit. But technical view not nice lah. Okay, not nice lah. Okay, so yeah, if they lucky break below 2 ringgit next level is a 192 or 185 already. So Aseta tentatively tak begitu cantik. Okay, next support should be somewhere around 192 lah. Okay, how about the LBS? For me also not so strong. Resistance 515, support 475. 475, 470. Okay, so what we can see previously they have a breakout 470, 475 breakout macam inilah. So most importantly cannot break down 470 loh. If they break down 470, tak cantik already. And yeah, they need to break above 515 for further upside. Okay, how about the Teosing? Teosing also tak begitu, a bit dangerous lah. Okay, a bit dangerous now. Okay, the only bright side is today they close hammer. Okay, supposedly today already broken down below 980 already. But by end of day they managed to close at 980. So hopefully tomorrow they are able to close, okay, at least go above 980. Okay, maybe 985 990 then still alright. But if tomorrow below 980 then tak begitu cantik lah tak begitu cantik. Okay, how about the DNO? DNO also a bit disappointing. Okay, they broke down below 130, closing 128. So based on here, on some more 20 no cross. Okay, 20 haven't crossed above 50 MA as well. So short term also weak lah. So based on here breakdown, I think they might revisit 120 level lah. Okay, but overall structure I would say they still have chance lah. Okay, just that maybe short term no opportunity. Maybe they will drop down to the base and go sideways lah. Macam ini. Okay. Unless they break below 115, then memang ugly already. Okay, HSI we covered already. So I think they are not that weak. Okay, just short term retracement lah. Okay, I will say short term retracement. Okay, how about the Alibaba? Okay, Alibaba a bit weak due to the price below 2050 MA already. Okay, so take note lah. Yeah, okay. What we can see. Okay, this is a convergence, not divergence already lah. So we can see the high is getting lower as well lah. Okay, just like here. Okay, high is getting lower. So for me is the worst case scenario, maybe they might revisit the 200 MAs. I think by the time should be 100 plus lah. Maybe I estimate maybe a 105 like that lah. Maybe by the time the 200 MAs will come down. So I think the next opportunity is when they retest the 200 MAs. Okay, based on here what we can see, the high is getting lower. Okay, not looking that great. Okay, and yeah, take note on 114 first. If 114 cannot hold, then we do have chance to get at the lower price. So I will say overall structure not so strong. Okay, not so strong. But also depending they want to defend 114 or not. Okay, hello Patrick, good evening. Okay, Gamuda, market no direction, yes. I think less volume as well lah. Mixed. And you can see today's audience are also not many. Also no, not not many retailers in the market as well. Okay, Gamuda neutral. Okay, I was in neutral and they not really move that much, but it's still okay. Overall structure they are still good. Okay, because they have okay, this is a downtrend channel, right? They broken up, jalan up, retrace, now sideways. So for me it's still healthy. Okay, just you don't expect this current market sentiment not so good they chong out again okay, not reasonable So with current market sentiment if they can go sideways is already very good. Okay, I don't think they also have reason to push up further tentatively. So if they can go sideways it's very good already. Okay, 10 scored already. So take note your immediate support 435. Stay above, I think nothing much to review okay, remain okay so market short term you will see some hoo-ha like that. Okay, long run they are still going up. Okay, how about the CIMB? CIMB I a little bit worried Okay, I feel a little bit worried. Okay, even though recently they have a bounce up. Okay, you can see back in 13th of May back in 13th of May they do push up with volumes, right? But they makan all the way down they makan the whole candle already for me it's not so cantik lah. Okay, some more 20. Okay, 20 cross 50 is good, but they already broken down below the 2050 MA already so for me a little bit worried that the bounce is over. Okay, because previously they also throw down quite a lot, right? So after that I think our KLCI also dropped a lot, so they rebounded up. Okay, now macam retrace. Okay, macam retrace over lah. So for this CIMB tenor on 680, okay, their crucial support. Okay, if breakdown, I think memang tak cantik. Okay, they might go back to 628 or 6 ringgit level. Okay, if they can stay, we review again. Okay, so we see how it's going For me, I feel a little bit worrying Some more they below 200 MAs. Okay, I will feel a bit not so comfortable Okay, for trading point of view if you are investor or what, you need to see a 5-year, 10 years point of view Okay, Genting Malaysia not really more neutral, but at least they slowly climb out Okay, So you can see they don't have much movement, okay? Lately, the candle also looks boring, but at least they slowly inching up for Genting Malaysia. Let me see, momentum boleh. So based on here, maybe we can put a support 170. Okay, current price. Okay, current support I was put at the 176 like that. Okay, 176, 170 as your immediate support. Okay, and yeah, looks like better lah. At least they are above 2050 MA. Okay, how about the Inari? Oh, yeah. Also, previous week our market too bullish already. They push up quite much. Then they back to square. Okay, back to square, and I would say they most likely will continue sideways lah. So Tenno on 175 as your immediate support. Okay, so what I think is yeah, Tenno on 175 lah. Stay above, they still got potential to make a comeback. Okay, break below then memang susah sikit lah. Okay, how about the Genitech? Okay, Genitech also kena throw down. Okay, also due to they hit 200 MAs already lah. So tentatively, Tenno on the support lah, 985 and 1 ringgit is their immediate support. Okay, overall I would say market is still weak lah. Okay, because all kena pressure. Okay, Petronas Chemical as well. Kena throwback. Okay, kena break below 350. Kena break below 2050 MA. Okay, this few days more on neutral note. So tentatively, yeah, if you're interested, you can turn on 325 until 333 like that lah. Is your support zone. Okay, for me, it's bearish lah. But hopefully they can stay above 325 lah. Stay above 325. Still okay lah. Boleh tahan lah. How about the Maxis? Okay, Maxis still okay lah. Okay. Lucky thing, last Wednesday they made a comeback. Thursday, Friday, and today more on neutral. Okay, also slowly inch up. Okay, even though volume boleh tahan saja lah. Okay, so I think Maxis is still doing well lah. Still okay lah. So hopefully they can break above 383 and next level 4 ringgit. Okay, at least I can see the momentum is pretty good lah. Still boleh tahan. Are they venture into solar? I saw the ads. Okay, if they are into it, maybe at least they open up a new sector or new blue ocean. Okay, BM Green. Okay, doing well. Okay, at least this BN Green today push up with volumes above 185 and also break out 190. Okay, so this one, yeah, despite market sentiment not so good, they still able to break out. Yeah, very, very good job for them lah. So for this, maybe I will put 189 as your immediate support. So long above 189, momentum still boleh. And Tenno on the next resistance, somewhere nearby 2 ringgit. Okay, maybe 199. Okay, 199, 2 ringgit is your next resistance to take note. Okay, how about the Masing? Okay, Masing for me, they also at the dangerous zone already lah. 112 is their 112 is their last support already. If breakdown memang tak cantik. Okay, stay above, still ada chance lah. Okay, 3 Ren. Okay, always read like children. Okay, 3 Ren, not much volumes. Especially May until now, they don't have much volumes. Okay, but also take note, 240, 250 is the important support for the 3 Ren. Stay above. I am still a bit optimistic lah. Okay, still a bit. Okay, how about the Cresto? Okay, Cresto already near the 200 MAs lah. Take note, 130 is a resistance to take note. Okay, overall momentum is still fine. And yeah, so long above 124, they are still strong. But take note, 130 is your 200 MAs already. Okay, it's your immediate resistance. If they can clear, you only see 135 lah. Okay, how about Jaya Tiasa? momentum boleh tahan lah. Okay, boleh tahan. Okay, they have a gap support here right? So meaning the price has to stay above 110. Okay, otherwise tak cantik already lah. Okay, now they are like struggle or doing whipsaw at the 200 MAs, which is a 115 level. So hopefully the next few days they can go above lah. At least go to 116, 117, then would be better for them. Okay, but I also worry a bit lah. I feel they are not so strong. Maybe you can argue they break out from the. Okay, if you see this, I think it's still acceptable. Oh, at least they already break out from the downtrend channel. So yeah, maybe I will put 110 lah. As long as above 110 should be alright. Okay, how about the TH plantation? No good lah. TH plantation no strength leh. Okay, let me see on the CPO price CPO price tak cantik leh. Oh, CPO price already become downtrend. Okay, let me see weekly. Tak cantik leh. Okay, if the plantation sector the sentiment based on the palm oil price I think hardly to jalan together leh. Okay, based on what I see, our palm oil price already broken down below 4,003. Okay, 4,000 also broken down already. So for me, tak begitu cantik lah. Tak begitu cantik. So no reason for them to push. Okay, probably the commodity price like the oil price the crude oil price already not good ma. So I think also interrelated a bit Okay, QES back to the volume zone Okay, for me it's not nice already because the QES are already broken down below 390. Okay, but they back to the previous deep down punya level. Okay, previously they deep down to here and they created some volumes able to bounce up. Okay, now they back to here. Today someone got volumes lah, volume improve lah. But for me it's ugly. But if you still interested with them, 345 lah, cannot break down. Okay, because previously they have a stress test and managed to bounce from here. Okay, now they break down here already. Okay, seems like they also try to stress test here. Provided stay above 345, maybe got chance but for me to be safe, I hope that they can go back above 390. That would be better lah, because this counter is still in a downtrend. Okay, this Genitech we covered. And hello, good evening, watching B-Trans. B-Trans what they want to do yeah, even though for me not nice lah. Okay, for me not nice lah. But I also curious what they are doing. They have quite consistent volumes. Make it looks like a money game already Okay, so for them to be safe I prefer them to go back above 715 lah. Okay, then would be better. Okay, tentatively, okay, they are sideways here. 690 715. Okay, they are just trading sideways only. Okay, if they break below 690, then totally no game already lah. Okay, focus point. Focus point, I think based on the momentum, they memang looks okay. Tapi lack of volume as well lah. Okay, so hopefully they can clear above 80 cents with volumes. Then will be better. Okay, if they are unable to clear with volumes, then a bit susah. They might. You can see recently, they are doing the W shape macam ini. Okay, if they are unable to clear 80 cents, they might continue W shape macam ini. Okay, so hopefully they can clear above the 80 cents level lah. Okay, Gadang. Wow, got people ask about Bitcoin, ah. Okay, Gadang, yeah, as mentioned before, neutral because nothing much. Okay, but I think they back to the support zone 240, 250 level. Lor. Okay, Yongtai we covered already. I would say Yongtai also like that lah. Okay. Hello, Ismail Adam. Okay, we are the chairman of Asian. Not enough to catalyze market. Yeah. Not enough lah. Macam nothing exciting lah. They are just maybe meeting, cakap saja lah. Oh. So unless we have a FDI lah, like foreign direct investment, okay, something like that, then maybe baru ada catalyst lah. Otherwise susah. Okay, even if have the MOU also just a gimmick only lah, just a sentiment only. But tentatively, I didn't notice any news benefited to the market yet lah. Okay, so I think most likely it's just a meeting lah. Maybe they just talk like that only lah. Okay. Usma. Okay, previously I do mention these counters. I think back in I think maybe on the 20 or 21st of May lah. Okay, so they do have a volume pump up. They attempt to go up, tapi no strength, come back down. Okay, so now they back to the support. Okay, as we can see, this Usma, they already downtrend for 1 year plus lah. Oh, last year March was at the top. Then they all the way down. Okay, but from here, what we can see, the selling already slowed down. At least they starting to go sideways. So let's zoom in and see further. Okay, so what we can see here, you can see the volume improve. The price start to stabilize. They start to break out. So maybe break out, they come back to retest the support lah. So hopefully 420. Hopefully they can stay above 420. Then maybe they will have more chance. But if they break below 420, they might come back down to 385 level like that lah. Okay, so the formation, the breakout lah. If they break below 420, the breakout consider fail already. Okay, not successful. Okay, AZRB. Put a B. Okay, this one quite illiquid in my opinion. But okay, 20 cents. Okay, take note. Your important support is a 20 cents. Cannot break down. Okay, break down no game. Break down no game. So your immediate resistance 215. Okay, due to previously was a support, turn into resistance. Okay, R1, R2 is a 235. Okay, 215, 235. Okay, for me, volume okay only lah. Volume okay only. Okay, how about the Chong, Tan Chong? Tan Chong fear already. Tan Chong, no game. They already broken down below 490. Okay, previously they have a rally 1, stabilize, rally 2, come back retest. Okay, here is still okay. Okay, until here, they break down 490, touch until already. Okay, so this one I will give out first, unless they show us they want to come back above 490 lah. Only try again, otherwise not worth. Okay, 2380. Let me see. China Power. Okay, still alright. Still alright. 315 supported. Yeah, this one's still okay lah. Fight above lah. Short-term momentum is there. Now they are challenging a 200 MAs. Okay, most importantly, the resistance they break out turn into support. Okay, as long as above, maybe I put a 305 lah. Okay, so long above 305, yeah, ada chance. Okay, how about a 386? This one for me, I feel they are still weak. Okay, most likely do a rebound trade. For me, I'm not so confident with the overall build up lah. 425, feel the gap already. they have a gap up, gap down here. Now they come back to fill the gap only. So for me, I will say this one, the structure, not so confident. I feel so only. So 10 note 425, 438 is your R1, R2. But I feel not so confident lah, this one. Yeah, how about the POS? Oh, POS sudah broken down to 80 tak cantik already. Okay, same. They also rally, retrace, rally, retrace, rally. Okay, retrace, no strength, break down to 80. So this, okay, even though they break down with low volume, but yeah, break is a break already tak cantik already. So if speaking about the chances, I would say yes, but not now. Okay, yes, but not now. I would prefer to wait them revisit 245, 235 level. Then we see any chances lah. Okay, now stay back and wait dulu. Salute, you know lah, discounters pump down punya. For me, not nice already lah. Ever since they break below 265, not nice already. So now their last support is a 220, but yeah, don't touch is better lah. Sendai we covered lah. We go for what? Douyin. Okay, this counter is quite volatile. Okay, so last Wednesday tried to break out, not successfully. Today try to break down, but still get supported. Okay, take note 355 is your support. Okay, 355 is your support. I think it's a VTRUX spelling. Okay, VTRUX 200 MA is not able to hold. Gonna wash down. Okay, take note 311. Take note 310 and 3 ringgit. Above 3 ringgit, I would say masih ada chance lah. Yeah, about the dialogue. Dialogue more on sideways mode lah. Okay, because here they make a recovery, they macam wash down, and most likely they will go sideways macam ini. Okay, so I think yeah, also no reason for them to push them lah. Okay, so yeah, ideally 150, 144 is your support zone to take note. Okay, Great-Tech I guess covered already. Okay, Great-Tech they have a gap to fill, so somewhere around 151 lah. Okay, for me 151, 150 is your support zone. Okay, stay above, I think still alright. So take note lah, current price 156, somewhere about there or nearby there is still alright. Okay, cut loss if they go below 150 lah. Astro. Oh, Astro ada volumes Okay, Astro is rebounding. Okay, the first time they have volume is here. Actually, here also got volumes lah. Okay, they pump out, tapi they wash deeper sideways. Then they pump out again, go sideways. Okay, you can see actually last Friday they have a volume pump up. Okay, so maybe they were sideways, and you can take note this is your resistance zone. Okay, so this one, let me see, let me think where I want to put my resistance. Okay, because near the 200 MAs, I will put 220, 230 is my resistance zone. Okay, so this one, short term, I think they will have some momentum. Okay, but long run, you can see, you can see back in when last year, hit 200 MA saja, come back down already. Here, when 2023, hit, sell down. 2022, breakout lah, breakout few days only, few weeks lah, downtrend. So, they only have a bull run back in 2020 December until 2021. Okay, only have a bull run back then. But in long run, most of the time they are in the downtrend. So this one, you just, just a hit and run. Most likely hit and run only lah. Winstar we covered already. Hen Yuan for me macam no strength lah. But if you interested, 164 is your support. Wah, jadi ah. Jadi nothing lah. Okay, jadi nothing. Don't waste your time lah. Okay. Don't waste your money also lah. Okay. At the moment, they are still in liquid. Okay. And what? 0.025 only Nothing much lah. Okay. From chart perspective, I see nothing yet. Okay. Inari we covered already. IFCA tak cantik leh. Gap down leh. Okay. 350 also break Okay, today they has a very high volume gap down. Okay, I'm not sure who is doing that. Okay, so maybe I will use today's low as our guideline lah. 330 is your support. And hopefully they can go above 350 lah. Then a bit cantik. Then yeah, hopefully they can close above the go back to fill the gap lah, 390. Okay, fail to stay above 330, tak cantik already. Okay, for me, maybe I will wait tomorrow, see how it's going. Okay, but if they go below 330, tak cantik. MBank. Okay, MBank looks better lah. Okay, at least they recovered. So your support 540, 535. Okay, 540, 535. Previously they have a retracement. Break below 200 MAs, but they managed to recover. So jalan up, they pump up, retrace, continue pump up. So based on what I see, at least the uptrend is still intact. Okay, they only face some deeper correction, come back already. So yeah, 540, 535 would be your immediate support lah. Okay, how about the Eon? Eon is still okay. Eon recovered already. Okay, so long Eon above 145 should be alright. Oh, sudah tak jadi already Opstar break 525 tak cantik already. Today open gap down, break 470 tak cantik lagi. Okay, so next destination maybe 40 cents level already. So wait lah, wait for them to stabilize. No hurry. Mitra, yeah, at least Mitra is still in the uptrend mode lah. Just that the chart looks very illiquid, very boring like that only lah. But overall structure they are still okay. Corsan still weak. Okay, susah lah. Glove nowadays. Give them many chance already. Still, tak begitu boleh jalan. Okay, 164 is your support lah. But for me, very weak lah. Okay, don't want to spend time to think already. Okay, Genting breakdown 318. Okay, tak cantik lah. Okay, slight weak lah. Okay, still weak lah, I would say. Genting Malaysia performs slight better. Okay, because they already above 2050 MA. But this one still below leh. Okay, so they might come back to 308 or 3 ringgit sideways macam ini lah. Okay, Tanko. Tanko still going up. Okay, but we don't know when they will suddenly sell down lah. Okay, if you bought from the bottom, then congratulations. You can just hold and set a trading stop like that only. Okay, but if you just plan to go in, no lah. This one dangerous to buy at the top. Very dangerous. Okay, how about the Dayang? Oh, Dayang Friday got volumes. Looks like okay. They are downtrend because they already below 200 MAs Okay, looks like they are trying to do a bottoming around here. Volume improve on Friday. Okay, looks like macam ada some opportunity soon lah. Hopefully lah. Okay, so I will put 175 as your immediate support, 165 as your last defense. Okay, if they go below 165, sorry, touch there already, touch there already. If they are still above 165, it's still alright. Your immediate support, 175. And level to break, okay, they need to break above 187. Then you can see 2 ringgit as your next resistance. Okay, so Bobby Bank. Bobby Bank. Yeah, Bobby Bank, if you just draw a support resistance, they are just in a sideways mode lah. Okay, so they are still in a sideways, but at least the 200 MAs, if we zoom out, you just focus on, let me close all the line. Okay, you just focus on the orange line. They are still going up lah. Okay, still going up. Okay, just that you can see the trend now. Once they jalan, they need to sideways. Okay, they need to sideways. Okay, they sideways a bit. Here sideways a bit. Now they sideways a bit. So overall, they are still slowing. Okay, slowly going up, going up, going up. Okay, still okay. So if you are long-term holder, yeah, still okay lah. No problem lah, no problem. Okay, Bitcoin, S1, R1, R2, R3. Wow, you want to see so far already, Okay, so what we can see, Bitcoin, okay. Bitcoin, what we can see. Okay, due to this was a all-time high. ATH lah. Okay, they broken up already, turned into support. So for me, 108, 106 is your support. Okay, support zone. Okay, because they are quite volatile, so we cannot put exact one level as a support. Okay, sometimes they will overshoot a bit to take a stop loss, then baru balik lah. Okay, so for you, for us, your immediate support definitely is a 106, 108. Okay, if you want to put 105 also can lah. Okay, due to they are at the all-time high, we don't have a reference already, right? Now, what we can do is we can use a Fibonacci as the projection, okay? Price projection. So the next resistance, somewhere around 127 or 130, okay? I'll put a range for them lah. So I think it's quite reasonable for the next resistance, 127, 130. Okay, but yeah, I don't want to plot until 159 lah. For me, it's too far already. Okay, maybe this will take quite long to achieve lah. So at the moment, I would say, yeah, the next stronger resistance would be 127 to 130 level. Okay, for the 160 things, I think we review again now when they achieve here. Okay, so Asian Summit just a platform for show face gathering. Yeah, I think most likely is like make friends, then maybe say we kena bully by Donald Trump, how macam ini sajalah. Okay, SMRT 915880 lah. Okay, it's your S1 S2. Okay, for me it's a bit disappointing. Okay, previously they do have a good breakout above 990, but didn't turn well. Okay, market go back down. Okay, so now they back to one of the support, 915. Okay, if they close below 915, memang tak begitu strong already lah. And your last defense is 880. Okay, below 880 memang tak cantik. Okay, last one is a magma. Let's see how's going. Okay, got chance to take profit lah. Okay, for me lah. Okay, so they already hit the one of the resistance, 425 lah. Okay, zoom out. Wow, okay, zoom out, we see what happened. Okay, this is a 2021 punya resistance zone. Okay, so this will be a R1. This will be a R2. Okay, for me, I'm not so comfortable with these counters lah. So if you bought at the bottom, yeah, no harm to take partial profit. Okay, yeah, but if you just plan to go in, not so comfortable. But if you want to set a trading stop, yeah, you can put at 375. Below 375, tak cantik lah. Above is still alright. Okay, how about the KSL? Also a bit disappointing. Well, supposedly they break out already. They break out 169. Stay above then still cantik punya. Okay, tapi today they break down already. Okay, today they break below 169, closing 164. Some more with high volumes. Okay, based on these, next you need to see 160 already. Okay, we see any support. Okay, any support at 160. Okay, maybe I give them a range 160, 158. Okay, this is a range. They need to get supported lah. Okay, if they come back down supported, maybe still got second chance to come back. Okay, but if they break down again, then susah already lah. 150 is your next support already. Okay, so for me, wait for them around here. We see any chances or any support over there. Okay, so no hurry. Okay, so thank you everyone, and thank you Sifu for having me here. If you yet to download Sifu apps, please go and download now. They are available at the iOS and the Google Play Store. And also they do have an interactive live chat. For those who need a live chat, you may subscribe to their services. And also, if you yet to join my Telegram, you may screenshot this QR code and later you can click to join in. Okay, so on and off I will share some market outlook lah. Okay, and also today's watch list also. Okay, those structure that I feel they are still in a good shape, I will I will put in but today not many lah. Only 2 to 3 counters only. Okay, so that's all for tonight, and see you on Wednesday 8:30. Okay, thank you everyone.